Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Nasdaq 100 update for today, which is today, 24th of March already. Okay, so yeah, everything worked out pretty nicely, and I was talking about the last time that we should continue higher in either a so-called X-wave with a double zigzag, or we are building our flat structure to the upside, which happened at the moment. So I'm leaving that potential there, that we finished our A wave down at the 13th of March, the Thursday or 13th of March. And from that low, which is a truncation, we are building our flat structure to the upside. And we should eventually, let me just throw something on here. I think we reached the 100% extension here. Yeah, but see. Okay, so that is now the first common target. I'm going to exceed that to the 1618 because we could easily extend higher, but we also have to look at the internal count here. So it would be for now that I'm going to label that. This would be an A, B, and the C wave. So, and the question is now, because it could be that we are forming, as I talked about before, that this is only wave A, then we get another B wave and another C wave. Because also in our B wave, which I have here, which is the minute degree. Okay, so I'm going to start again now, because we come up from here in a so-called WXY, where we're in the minute degree. This is the orange degree, and the Y wave is an ABC structure. Okay, so that's at the moment just the overview to get you to let you know where we are. So the orange degree, that is minor, and the ABC structure of the Y of the minor Y wave is an ABC in the minute degree. Okay. So, and we are close, in my view, to finish the minute B up here. The question, is that extending? I have to just move that, sorry. Is that extending right now? So that would be our wave A, then we get another B and another C wave. I don't know. We have to see, but for now, in my view, we should hold at the moment. So we should get a pullback, in my view. Okay, and the pullback, in my view, should hold this area here. Okay, we should not break below that. We have a little gap to close, which is at the 50% retracement level. It could be that the market comes back down in 3 waves, and then we have one final push to the upside. And due to that, we reached already the 100% extension. The next target would be the 1618, and directly slightly above is the 50% retracement, measured from our high to that low. And this is a common target for a so-called B wave here. I mean, it can extend higher, but I think we have to really focus on the lower time frame to see that move building. At best, I would say that we finished wave 3, for example. Maybe like this. We have 1, 2. This is the 3rd, this is the 4th, and one more high in the 5th wave. That then should finish our wave 5, our wave C of our wave 5 of C, of B, okay, and therefore I put up these retracement targets. That wave 4 should not break below, in my view, or let us just do it like this. The 61.8 retracement level must hold, okay, for the upside continuation. So we should not break below 19,957, and it should be kind of an ABC structure to the downside, an ABC, and that should then finish our 4th wave, and then we should have one more high. Okay, so that is at the moment the way I would watch at the market, but it's pretty nice that we really, because I was talking about that the last time, either we are not going lower from here and we go higher, then it would be a double zigzag to the upside. But we managed to break that low here, slightly, very slightly, a few points, but it happened. So that was the second scenario. So we had either the double zigzag to the upside or the flat structure. and the market decided to take the flat structure here. So yeah, it should work out as it should to the upside. I don't think that move is done. Okay, I would expect a pullback into this area, which is between 20,237 and 20,044. A break below the 19,957 level would invalidate this possibility for one more high. Then we possibly have to see if this is maybe already the B wave starting, but I don't have enough data for that. And now this area should hold for further continuation to the upside. And please remember, it could extend in a wider ABC structure, or we expand here in a fourth wave, retrace in a fourth wave, and then more final push to the upside. And afterwards, I do expect more downside to come in the C of Y. Okay, and from there we have to take it step by step. But I do think that we have not finished our move up here in the minute B wave, and then we should then finish our minute C to the downside of minor Y. And then we have to see, because it could also be that the correction is done yet. I'm not sure, because then I have to lower at 1 degree. But for now, I think we have one more high and one more downside move. You have these targets to the upside, and I think I've talked about everything right now. Yeah, we can add the volume profile if you want. So, let's see. Okay, see, and that was also the point I was talking about. Very interesting. The value area shifted. Okay, the value area shifted, and now we are hitting, or we poke our heads to the 1 hour point of value area high. Very interesting. And our point of control on the 1 hour time frame is at 19,871. It's below the 61.8. So I assume whenever we come down in a wider correction, then we have to put our B wave here and then another C wave to come. Okay, so that would also fill the gap, first of all. And we're going to retest point of control. If point of control is not able to shift higher till then, I think we're going to retest point of control, and then I would call it B wave with a C wave to come, and that would then be the wider ABC structure. Okay, good. Anything else? I don't think so. Instead of, I wish everybody a nice trading day, and yeah, talk to you soon. I think I'm going to make another update this week, but I cannot make them as frequently at the moment because I have a lot of coaching at the moment. So please understand that I'm not able to do every day an update, but I try my best to keep them posted whenever I find time, like today and on Friday last week. But I think you should be prepared here for the route the market should take. And yeah, let's see. I wish everybody a beautiful evening. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.